Now Alexa, I didn't mean it that.
Hey, welcome back friends to Following Alexa. Want to see how I hand the bad eggs in Keenan's laundromat? I have some clips to show. Stay tuned.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Alexa is working out great at this place.
Yay, working out great. Glad I could do all the work for Following Keenan.
Let me phrase it better. Alexa is helping me.
Now I'm helping. Please am on charge. Hey Keenan, go take out the trash.
Now I didn't mean it that way.
Welcome back friends to Following Alexa. Want to see how I hand the bad eggs in Keenan's laundromat?
Now Alexa can set up
Keenan,
routines.
stop talking and just show the clips.
One more.
I like to call this clip Hit the Road Jack.
Check it out. I'll meet you. Bye.
This Alexa device is working beautifully because the homeless, the vagrants, what's happening is I'm not even running the thing. Every 30 minutes these messages are playing and every message is different. And I'm going to change it up from month to month and that too because I want to keep it fresh.
Have a blessed day.
What's the first clip?
I like to call this clip Tinder Time at Laundromat.
Here we go.
I don't know. It ain't, you know, just because I'm telling you it ain't like whatever that you can eat. Everything is cooked. I already told you that.
Oh, you got chicken. It's right.
This chicken right here. That's right. Mom, what I want to do? You always, you know what? I believe too much. Because you don't appreciate me or appreciate what I buy. Good chicken pie. That's why. Good chicken pie. Right, this is better. This is $8. Don't leave me here by myself. I can't stay here. One, I'm not gonna be here by myself. I already told you.
You should get her some flowers or candy. Go on a romantic date.
We got to be here before I hang it up. Right, man, it's tripping.
And what's in it with the electrical heat? But tomorrow, when I go back and throw away the thumb there, they keep expecting to go back. Not chill right there.
What the
Got another clip?
This was a crazy one. Even the other bums started helping me roll the video, Keenan.
What the hell you at? Oh, here come this damn dude, man. Oh no. Let's stay 10, 15 feet away. I don't know shit about this dude.
Brother!
What?
Get out here! The police told me on the speaker when I said, "Duck, get out here." This motherfucker lit up. The police said, "Get out here." They watching him. This is under control right now. They said, "Duck, get your beer and get him out of here." The owner got the police. They have the microphone right now. I got him. They told me to get out. The police watching.
What the fuck you do, man?
Where?
I had a homeless guy the other day, he listened to the message, he's like, I ain't leaving. And then after the third time it played, he goes, I'm out of here, I'm tired of you hitting that, or I'm tired of you telling me. Literally, it's driving them crazy hearing this over and over again. So it's kind of funny. In 3 days that it's been up and running, I'm down to like one guy came in today. I'm on day number 3 and one guy came in for a few minutes, then he finally left. He got tired of hearing it. I mean, it's just a beautiful setup. I mean, I wish I would have done this a long time ago. Now, my other laundromats are going to get the same treatment. Now, I have not done the buzz-in door locks yet. I have set them up, but I haven't put the Ring doorbell in. And the reason I haven't done this yet is because I don't want to get to where I have to push a button and answer the phone all the time. Otherwise, this laundromat went from passive income to passive pain in my butt. And I really don't want to get to that point yet. I'm hoping that this Alexa will cut out so much of the riffraff and the customers will come back that I won't have to deal with the whole Ring doorbell. So we will see, though. We're still a work in progress. Like I said, we're only in day 3 and already it's just insane how it's working. So I wonder if Alexa wants to add anything, huh? You got anything?
Hey folks, since following Keenan can't remember to say it, don't forget to hit smash drop that like button. Really helps following Keenan ego.
Hey!
Also leave a comment you would like me to say in my routine at Laundromat.
Now that's a good idea. If you'd like to, put some comments down there of stuff you'd like me to say to these people as they're coming in the laundromat. But if you have some good comments, I'll start putting them in here. I'll get clips of them, and we can see how people react to your comments. Maybe you have a better way of saying stuff than I do. Alexa, wake up.
Hey, awake. Hot dogging with Dan treats me better. That a channel the viewers should check out.
I agree. Hot Dogging to Dan has a great channel. If you want to see him using his Alexa app, he's the one that came up with this idea. I'm not going to take any credit, but this is genius. It's helping me out a ton. Alexa, that was harsh.
Okay, hey, if you like the videos and have not subscribed, hit the subscription button. There, you feel better now, Keenan. Little crybaby. Boo-hoo. Thanks for watching Following Alexa.